What's up, guys? We are back with another video. In this one, we are going to see 4 apartments, all ranging between $180,000 to $230,000. Let's see what you can find in Medellin for those prices. Let's go. All right, we're here at the most expensive apartment on the list. It is right here about 1 block away from Provenza. This building is also zoned for daily rentals. So this is perfect for investment, but it's also perfect for lifestyle. If you like to go to restaurants, if you like the nightlife, etc., this one is located perfectly. Let's go check it out. Come on. All right, the first thing that you notice when you walk into this apartment is it's got a semi-open floor plan. You've got the living area, dining area, and this American bar. They call it an American bar when you've got bar stools next to the kitchen here. Over here is the laundry area and what they call a service room or maid's quarters back there behind that door. It's a little room where if you have a live-in maid, you can have her live in there or just use as storage. This is the dining area. And over here, you've got the first bedroom to the right. Right now, they've got 2 beds in there because this can fit about 4 people on Airbnb. That's what it's listed at. Obviously, more beds or heads in beds, more money. So I think that's why they put it that way. Here you've got the next bathroom or the first full bath. And then the master bedroom. This is about 82 square meters, about 900 square feet. This one's listed at $230,000 US dollars, negotiable obviously, and we can give you the information on how it rents and how it does financially. This is the walk-in closet here. You may not even need this walk-in closet. You might want to maybe tear it down and make this master a little bit bigger or the other bathroom a little bit bigger. And here's the other bathroom, because remember, this one's zoned for daily rentals. So, you know, do you really need a walk-in closet for daily rentals? People staying here for a week or so? Probably not. Let's go check out the little balcony here. So if you know this building and you know this area, you know that there's a road right here. So if I close this, even though this is not soundproof, you don't get much noise at all. If I open it, you can hear some of the cars going up and down this little road. I would probably put some soundproof windows in here, but this is a beautiful area and it's right next to Provenza. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. Also, there's a link in the description if you want to come see these or maybe see something else. Click on it, fill out the form, and then somebody on my team will get back to you. Let's get to the next one. All right, we're here at an apartment building right across the street from Oviedo. If you've been to Medellin and you know the area, you know that this is a prime location. You're also walking distance from Avenida Poblado and Santa Fe Mall. So for investment purposes, you can rent this one out monthly, not daily, or you could live in it, lifestyle. You've got a kids' elementary school over here, very residential building. Let's go check out the apartment. All right, so the first thing that we notice here is this open concept here. This was remodeled recently, just 2 years ago. I do like the fact that they knocked down walls here. This used to be another bedroom here, and the kitchen was very closed off. Now you've got a very open area. Back here, you've got the laundry area. If you go all the way down there, it can fit a stackable washer dryer. This is the kitchen area here. And I do like that they built this little American bar here with the bar stools for eating area. They currently have it up on Airbnb. They've been renting it for 2 years on Airbnb. So it does well on Airbnb because of the location primarily. We're literally right across the street from the Oviedo Mall, which is right there. And then Avenida Poblado is just right up the street. You've got the Santa Fe Mall. I mean, it's just a great area, not only for tourism, but also for living, because as you can hear, there's no sound. You can't hear any noise really from outside, so it's very quiet. I'm gonna go into the first bedroom here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. It's 90 square meters, which is just about 1,000 square feet. That's the first bedroom. Here you got the second bedroom. And since this is an older building, you can knock down walls. So if you wanted to make this a very spacious 2-bedroom, you could do that, which is very great. That's probably what I would do. I like more space, but here you've got the first full bath. There you go. And over here, we've got the master bedroom. This is pretty big. This is a queen size bed, but you can easily fit a king size. There's the bathroom right there. And again, this one is going for 211,000 US dollars. At today's exchange rate. That can change. I mean, it changes basically every day. Let's go back out here and check out this area. One thing that we kind of overlooked was the fact that there used to be walls here, and they made this an open area, so you can pretty much have like a dining table here, or make this like a little study, or maybe another living room area, maybe a movie watching area or whatever. And then you've got the regular living room. This building has amenities. It's got a pool, it's got a gym. Let's go check those out. All right, so here we have the kids' play area here. And over here, there's stairs over here on the right that go downstairs to the pool area. Oh yeah, there it is. The pool area, and the gym is down there. All right, as we walk into this one, the first thing that we notice is that we got the kitchen to the left over there. And this kitchen was remodeled. This is not the base unit, but this building is 30 years old, and this kitchen was remodeled almost a decade ago. But it still looks nice, and you can work around it. Over there, you've got the laundry area. Definitely fit a stackable washer dryer or that 2-in-1 one unit. And then this is the rest of the kitchen over here. You've got the oven. You've got this giant fridge. This can come furnished or partly furnished or unfurnished. So there's a lot of wiggle room there with the price. Let's head over this way. This one is 140 square meters. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. There's a lot of space, a lot of room to work with if you wanted to maybe remodel or leave it as it is, but to change the rooms around. They have this as a living area and the living room, or the TV room over here. And what I really love about it is that it has these big windows here. We're right next to Avenida Las Vegas, but you hear no noise, and obviously very accessible. Let's check out this area over here. Obviously you've got the dining area here. More space. I mean, you got a lot of space to work with. Then over here you've got the hallway and the first bedroom here that they're using as a storage right now. But this could easily be an office, another movie room, or just a bedroom if you need the 3 bedrooms. This is the second bedroom, which I thought was the master. This thing is ginormous. A lot of space here. Yeah, this is, I mean, you could fit a king size bed if you wanted here. Let's check out the other bedroom here. Well, before we check out the bedroom, you have the shared bathroom here. It's a full bath. This is a 3-2, 140 square meters, which in square feet, I think is over 1,500 square feet actually. This one's listed at 172,000 US dollars. This is the main bedroom or the master bedroom, king size bed. It's got its own bathroom here. Yeah, the bathroom's pretty big. And the couple that lives here is an elderly couple. The reason they're selling it is because it's just them two. They want to move to something smaller. Let's check out this common area one more time. As we walk over here, let me tell you, this place has amenities. It's got a pool, it's got a gym, it's got a parking spot downstairs and a storage unit. Let's go check those out. This is a little dog area for pets. Now we're gonna go head over to the pool. All right, so first let's see the gym here.
Gym, Turco.
Oh, you've got a Turkish bath and a common area. This is the little gym here. All right, we got cardio only, and about 10-pound weights.
Every Monday they do pool maintenance.
They do pool maintenance on Mondays. Okay, so there should be a guy doing maintenance today because it is Monday. All right, there's the pool area. Not bad. It's not a good pool day today. It's definitely going to rain. So we're going to get out of here, guys, to the next apartment. All right, we're at the next apartment. This one is located in El Tesoro. The Tesoro Mall is just over here. This one they currently have on Airbnb, and they've had it on Airbnb for a couple of years. It's hard to get in here because the occupancy rate is 90%. The current tenants were nice enough to let us get in there. Let's go take a look. Okay, as we walk into this one, the first thing we notice is the open concept. You got the living area here, you've got a little dining area here, and you've got the kitchen over there. The first thing we'll check out is the first full bath. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. It's about 80 square meters. And it has been remodeled, obviously. This is a 16-year-old building. They currently have this one up on Airbnb, and the occupancy rate is through the roof. They actually have someone in it right now, and they have so graciously allowed us to come in here and video this and show it to our client. This is the laundry area here, the stackable washer dryer. For investment purposes, this is perfect. For lifestyle, this is great as well because you've got the El Tesoro Mall across the street. You got the stainless steel kitchen. You know, I'm not a big fan of the stainless steel myself, but it makes sense here. Look at the brick with the wood, the high ceilings with the industrial finish. It all makes sense. Let's take a look at this first bedroom over here. Yeah, this is full concrete. Thank you, Franco. This is the first bedroom. This is a twin bed here. Each bedroom has its own AC unit, which is great as well. Let's go into the master. This is the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed over here. Yeah, this is perfect for a couple, for a single person, maybe even a little family. If you come down here, we've got a little working desk here, and you've got the bathroom. We'll come back over here, and we've got a little balcony here. So this one has 2 balconies. This road right here is Calle 3, and it goes up to El Tesoro, and it goes all the way down. You get to Provenza down that way. And as you can see, that this road is pretty traversed, but if I close this, you hear the noise? This is a soundproof window. You gotta kind of slam it here. It reduces it by a lot. This one's open too, and that one's soundproof as well. And we'll get to the view here in a minute because it's pretty incredible. This is the walk-in closet right here, pretty big. These are long-term rentals, by the way. You can't do short-term here, only 30-day minimums. And the great thing about this one is that the owners have all of the data on the rental, so if you need that information, we could get it as well. Let's take a look at this view over here. Check that out. Yeah, this is the hills of El Poblado, man. Doesn't get better than this. All right, so there is a rooftop up here. Let's go check that out. We are at the 25th floor of this building. You've got my brother in front of me opening up this door to the gym. Well, it doesn't open.
But it's locked.
It's locked. There's the gym. Pretty cool gym because you've got this amazing view. You've got the Turkish bath up here. You've got some lawn chairs. And of course you've got the deck over here. Look at this. You've got a jacuzzi area here. And this is pretty incredible. Look at that storm that's a brewing over there. Well, it's definitely storming over there, and it's coming this way. Yeah, this is pretty incredible. All right, we're going around the circle here. There's the gym right there. Here's Sarai and Wayne. Excuse me, sorry. This is, I guess, the social area. If you were to have, like, let's say, a bar mitzvah or a baptismal or a birthday party or whatever, you'd have it over here. And this is the rest of El Poblado. We literally can see all of El Poblado here. And the local airport, the smaller airport's down there.